Hi everyone! So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily get fast shipping on Temu. So first, let's scroll for a little bit and just add to cart an item. Click add now. Next, let's head over to go to cart. Then once done, just proceed to checkout. Just fill in all the necessary information. So from here, we can see standard shipping, but in other region, you should be able to see the express shipping option, which will let you get the faster delivery option. Now, if you only see the standard shipping option, that only means that the express shipping option is not available to your country or region. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that this helped you on how you can easily get fast delivery on Temu. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will see you again on the next one. Bye!